I made these two Wreck-It Ralph character figures at least 4 months ago. In the process, I came up with a few ways to make the pleated skirt, and I want to share that with you. I use a mold for making miniature cakes. I have to lubricate it with oil first. I have run out of brown clay, so I use another color instead. You take a piece of clay and then press. You can use a ballpoint stylus or you just use your finger and hollow the center. Take away the excess. Use another smaller ballpoint stylus, or alternatively, actually let me show you a little bit like this, or alternatively you just use your finger and press against the wall to thin it out. Take away the excess again. And use another piece of clay of the same color. You have to be very gentle. And there you go. Actually, I used this method to make this skirt. Roll out the clay. Use a craft blade to cut two circular shapes. Use a carving chisel to mark at regular intervals. Trim the excess. Scrunch the upper hem of the skirt a bit, like so. You may have to reinforce the vertical lines with the craft blade. Use the blunt side, like so. I should have done it before I scrunch up the hem of the upper hem of the skirt, like so. Both layers of this skirt were made in this way. I hope you enjoy my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.